The marquee behind me, you can see it is all lit up at the Richard Rodgers Theater. It is dark tonight, and that's because Hamilton, arguably the biggest hit on Broadway right now, their show was canceled tonight, all due to COVID. It is one of at least half a dozen shows that had to cancel performances tonight, and with some of the theaters, we are learning that the audience was already seated before they were told to get up and leave.
We have seen a very substantial increase in COVID cases in the last few days. And it is clear.
Sobering words from the mayor. New York City is seeing a surge ahead of the holidays. The 7-day average of new cases has tripled in the last month and doubled in just the past few days. The majority of the cases still the Delta variant, but alarmingly, Omicron is now responsible for 13% of new infections, and that number is expected to grow.
But Omicron is likely to outcompete Delta in the coming weeks and become the dominant strain, which is why we're taking this rapid action today.
That action, a six-prong approach to slow the spread. First, the health commissioner issuing a health advisory warning us to take more precautions. Next, increased testing from mobile sites to additional brick and mortar locations with expanded testing times. Third, 1 million KN95 masks will be distributed, and 500,000 at-home test kits will be given out. Fifth, more inspections to make sure businesses are in compliance with the vaccine mandates. And finally, doubling down on boosters.
We know what can help us avert more severe disease is vaccination and the booster doses.
Also making headlines on the vaccine front, a CDC panel is recommending getting the Pfizer or Moderna shot instead of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine due to the rare but potentially life-threatening blood clot linked to the J&J shot. While the fast-spreading variants have people thinking twice about their holiday plans, Dr. Anthony Fauci says, know who you're inviting to dinner.
Nothing is 100%, but when you talk about the relative risk, when you're dealing with vaccinated and particularly boosted people, you can feel comfortable enjoying the holiday.
And city public health officials also telling us today that unvaccinated New Yorkers are 8 times more likely to contract COVID and also 13 times more likely to be hospitalized. Mayor de Blasio did say that while hospitalizations are on the rise, right now the city's health systems, they are holding their own and not overwhelmed. We're live tonight in the theater district. I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.